Hello guys, welcome to a little bit Chinese. I'm Emma. Today we are going to talk about 在 because we use it so frequently and I guess it's used in almost 80% of our daily conversation. So it's really important for us to know how to use it. Okay, so now let's get started. The first, 在 can be used as a verb and when it's followed by a word of locality and acts as the predicate of a sentence, it indicates the location of somebody or something. For example, 我在中国, 我 means I, it's the subject. 中国 means China, so we use 在 to indicate that I'm in China. Let's look at another example. 小狗在椅子下面, 小狗 means little dog. 椅子 means chair. 下面 means under, the direction. So here 小狗在下面 means the little dog is under the chair, so we use 在 to indicate that the dog is under the chair. Second, 在 can also act as a preposition used before a word of locality to introduce a place where an action or behavior takes place. For example, 我在图书馆看书. 我 means I, 图书馆 means library. 看书 means read a book. So, 我在图书馆看书 means I'm reading a book in the library. So, we use 在 to indicate the place where I read the book. The second example, 我爸爸在医院工作. 我爸爸 means my dad or my father. 医院 means hospital. 工作 means work. 我爸爸在医院工作 means my dad works in a hospital. So we use 在 to introduce the place, hospital, where my father works. Let's look at the last example. 他在朋友家喝茶. 他 means she, it's the subject. 朋友家 means friend's house or friend's home. 喝茶 means drink tea. So 他在朋友家喝茶 means she drinks tea in her friend's home. So here we use 在 to introduce the place, her friend's home, where she drinks the tea. Okay, have you got it? That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments here. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. 再见.